Start.
Student, we are going for a practical problem. It's a very important question according exam point of view. It is very important questions. It's asked so many times in your examinations. Cost of machine is 56125. Cost of machine is 56125. Having a salvage value 3000 at the end of 5th year. 5 साल के बाद इसका salvage value कितना है? 3000. Net profit after deducting depreciation, interest and tax in first year 3375, second year 5375, third year 7375, fourth year 9375 and fifth year 11375. Simply you have to calculate ARR. First of all, we note down the formula of ARR. We know very well ARR equals to average profit upon average investment multiplied by 100. Student, first we need to calculate average profit, then average investment, and then we will put this value into this formula and we'll find out AR. If you will see the problem, cost of machine is given, salvage value is also given, net profit already they have given. पर आपको एक चीज यहाँ पर देखने की जरूरत होती है, क्या दिया है? मेन चीज है कि इस क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी उन्होंने नेट प्रॉफिट दिया है. ये प्रॉफिट आफ्टर इंटरेस्ट, डेप्रिसिएशन एंड टैक्स है, इसलिए आपको इसमें किसी भी प्रकार का डेप्रिसिएशन, इंटरेस्ट या और कोई टैक्स माइनस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये ऑलरेडी नेट प्रॉफिट है जो हमको चाहिए. बस हमको इससे इसका एवरेज निकालना है. ठीक है. सेकंड, एवरेज इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए हमको कॉस्ट ऑफ मशीन भी गिवन है और सॉल्वेज वैल्यू भी गिवन है. एडिशनल वर्किंग कैपिटल नहीं है, मशीन का लाइफ 5 ईयर है, इसलिए हम एवरेज इन्वेस्टमेंट भी इजीली हम यहाँ पर निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कैलकुलेट एवरेज प्रॉफिट. एवरेज प्रॉफिट, टोटल नेट प्रॉफिट इन एनी ईयर, इट इज 3375 प्लस 5375 plus 7375 plus 9375 plus 11375 divided by 5. How much this? 3, 5, 8, 8, 7, 15, 15, 9, 24, 24, 11, 24, 11, 35, 35 or 3 5s are 15 or 3 5s are 15 and 8 36875. That is how much? 36875. 36775 divided by 5. That is 7375. How much? That is 7375 is what? Your average profit. Average profit is how much? 7375. Okay. Now I am rubbing this side for calculating what? Average investment. Average investment equals to 1 by 2 initial cost minus scrap value or salvage value divided by 2 plus salvage value plus AWC. But here is no AWC, so it no meaning. 1 by 2 initial cost is how much? 56125 minus salvage value is 3000 plus 3000. 1 by 2 53125 plus 3000. That is 26,562.5 plus 3000, that is 29,562.5. What is initial and average investment? 1 by 2 of initial cost minus salvage value. 56125 minus 3000, that is 53125. 53125 divided by 2, that is 5652.5 plus 3000, that is 29,562.5. Now we are having both the things. Our average profit is 7375 and our average investment is 29,562.5. So we will put this value into our formula, that is average profit 7375, average investment 29,562.5 multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. Pause करें. Student 7375 divided by 29,562.5 multiplied by 100, that is 24.97%. It means ARR of the project equals to 24.97%. It's a very simple question and it is asked so many times in examination, so you should go for that. One thing you need to understand here is what is given. Here given is net profit. अगर नेट प्रॉफिट नहीं दिया होता तो हमको जो है डेप्रिसिएशन, इंटरेस्ट और टैक्स तीनों चीजें माइनस करने के बाद नेट प्रॉफिट निकालना होता, बट यहाँ नेट प्रॉफिट दिया गया है इसलिए हमें सीधा केवल एवरेज प्रॉफिट निकालना था. वो एवरेज प्रॉफिट हमारा कैलकुलेशन के बाद 7375 हो गया, एवरेज इन्वेस्टमेंट 29,562.5 हो गया. 7375 डिवाइडेड बाय 29,562.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 इक्वल्स टू 24.97%. It is one of the very good method. That is the final answer. ARR of this project is 24.97%.